I'm going to start unmuting you all one by one, just so you can tell me your name and anything that you are feeling today. Just in one sentence, your name and anything that you're feeling today, and I would be happy to move forward from there. So let's start from the top of my screen. I have Shivani here. Shivani, I'm unmuting you. So if you could just tell the group how old the children are, and what is it, and the kids should be talking. So what is it that you are feeling, and what's your name, and how old you are? Hi Ranveer, I see you as well.
Say hello. Say, it's okay, say your name.
My name is Anaya.
Loudly, Naya.
Mommy can help, no problem.
My name is Anaya Ketarpal. I am happy.
How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
You're 8 years old. Welcome. You said, what's your name?
Anaya.
Anaya. Okay, so we have Anaya. Anaya, do we have your sister or brother also joining in, or it's only you?
Hello.
I will unmute you guys one by one, and then you can tell me your names. Okay, so I think we have Anaya here. Okay, let's go to Andrea. Andrea, let's know who's here now. And if your video can also come on while you introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Dora.
Hi Dora, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, go on, Dora. Tell me a little bit more. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good, yes.
Excellent. Anybody else? Is your brother also joined in, or he's on a different?
I think he's joined in as well, yeah.
His joint is on a different one. Okay, welcome Dora, and we will just go on. Who do we have here now? We have Ranveer. Hi Ranveer, how are you?
I'm good.
You are good. How are you doing today?
I'm
How old are you?
fine. I'm 9.
You're 9 years old, Ranveer. Wonderful. Okay. Is your sister also joining in, Ranveer, or it's only you?
It's only me.
It's only you. Okay, welcome Ranveer. We'll just move on, and then we'll be back with everyone. Okay, let's go to Komal.
My name is Chandani. And my
Chandani.
sister's coming in 2 minutes.
Your sister's coming in 2 minutes. And how old are you, Chandani?
6.
6 years old. And how old is your sister?
7.
7. Okay. What's your sister's name?
Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi. Lovely names. Okay, wonderful. Thank you, Chandani. We'll come back to you. Let's see who we have here. We have Anaya. Anaya, can you introduce yourself to everyone?
I'm Anaya. I'm 7.
You are 7 years old. And how are you feeling today, Anaya?
Good.
Wonderful. That's amazing. Okay, let's go back to Andrea. So I am thinking, who is this going to be?
Hello.
Is that Marco? Hello.
So yes, my name is Marco, and I am 13.
Wonderful, Marco. I'm so glad you're here.
So
how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling quite well, yet quite like full of energy this morning. Unlike
you're feeling full of energy. That's exactly what we need. Excellent. Okay, Gauri, can you tell us a little bit about yourself, Gauri?
I am 9 years old, and I am feeling very excited today for the session.
Fantastic. Excellent, Gauri. Okay, so let's go next to, I have Shama on the screen.
Shama. My name's Mariam. I'm just saying the same as Anaya's age, 7.
Okay, wonderful.
She's my younger sister, Raya. She's 6 years old. She's 1 year younger.
She's 1 year, she's 6 years old. What's her name? What's your name?
Raya.
Raya.
Ghaya. And I am
Raya.
spelling for my name is Maryam.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, let's go to the... Yeah, go on. Sorry.
And I have another sister.
Oh, lovely. She's joining us as well?
No, because my mama said only kids. Because she locked the door.
She's a baby.
She's 3 years old and her name is Hanuda or Hind. Hind or Hanoodh. Okay then.
Just a minute. I think we just... Okay, we are still with Mariam, I think. Now we are with Lira. So, hi, Lira. Is your daughter awake right now?
Not yet. Her name is Zoya.
What's her name? Zoya. And how old is she?
5.
5. Lovely. Okay, we have Atharv here now. Atharv, if you can just introduce yourself, please.
Yes,
How old are you, Atharv?
I'm 8 years old.
You're 8 years old. And how are you feeling today?
Good.
Good. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, we also have now Rishan. We did Rishan, no?
My name is Rishan. I am 9 years old.
Uh-huh.
I
How are
feel-
you feeling today, Rishan?
I feel good.
Fantastic. That's lovely. Okay. We also have Arya. Arya? Arya, can you hear me?
Hello.
Hi, Arya. How are you?
Arya is my mom. My name is
Arya. What is your name?
Isabel.
Isabel. Lovely name, Isabel. How old are you?
7. I'm going
Lovely.
to turn 8.
You're going to turn 8. That's lovely. That's amazing. Welcome. And we will just go on and then start the activities. I have Saina here. Saina, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Saina, and
Dura
I
or
am
Duri?
9 years old, and I'm feeling very excited and energetic today.
Wonderful. Thank you, Saina, for joining. Okay, lovely guys. So have I missed anyone? I'm guessing not. Anisha, I don't think we did the kids, did we? I'm unmuting you, Anisha.
Hi.
Hi.
My name is Amara. I'm 7 years old.
Wonderful, Amara. And is your sister also joining you, or you are alone today?
I'm alone.
Oh, lovely. Okay, wonderful, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to request you all to stay on mute. I'm going to share some very interesting things with you all. We're going to just talk about what's happening these days, what's happening, how we are feeling, what's going on. We'll do some exercises. We'll do some little bit of fun activities, okay? So let's begin. I'm just going to share some slides with you. I'm sorry?
My sister is also joining.
Lovely, lovely. Excellent. Okay, let me start the sharing of the screen. Okay, guys, can you see the screen now?
Yes.
Lovely.
I cannot.
Who cannot see the screen?
Rishan.
Rishan, can you ask your mom, or I think the screen is on. Now you can. Wonderful. Okay. Parents, again, please feel free to stay near the kids just to kind of be involved in the activity if you like. However, if you cannot, it's not mandatory. So it's absolutely, we have a good range of kids, and the age group is also quite matched, which is wonderful. Okay. So why are we doing this is what our children would be asking. We'll start with a very simple question, guys. How are you feeling these days? Now, those of you who have your videos on, what I would request you to do is just write on a piece of paper, how are you feeling these days about being home? Just one word. Is it irritating? Is it exciting that you cannot go to school? What is it that you've been feeling for the last couple of weeks, days, months, however long it's been for you? What's the first thing that comes to me? And without unmuting, just show me the piece of paper. I can see each one of you on my screen. So if you can just show me what you guys are feeling by writing it on your sheets of paper. Okay, so whoever wants to show can show me. Just one word and just show it on your screen. Put on your screen and show that. Anaya, what did you write? Anaya, yeah, I write on top. Shivani. Anaya, what did you write?
Happy.
Happy? You about not going to school, you're happy these days? Any other feelings that happen? No worries, you can take your time, write it down and take your time. We'll come back to you. Okay, so Chandani, what did you write?
I write it excited.
I'm sorry?
I'm excited.
Okay, all right. Okay. Marco, what did you feel about these days? The fact that we are at home. What's going on in your mind?
Well, it's
What
a
kind of
different.
feelings?
Yeah, so it's kind of like a different time. So you try to investigate and try new ways to stay happy.
Correct. So you try to stay happy, but what is the first feeling? We are trying to stay happy, which is fantastic, and full claps to all of you for that. But I want to go a little bit more and see, what are you thinking? What are you feeling? Are there some other
like
thoughts?
I wrote down inquisitive. So
Inquisitive, yes.
Yeah.
And you wonder?
Yeah, like wonder what's gonna happen tomorrow, and
Right. What about Dora? Dora, you can unmute. Yeah.
Well, I'm normally feeling calm, not really stressed or anything.
That's very nice. That's very nice, Dora. What about Mariam and Gaia? How are you feeling?
Sad. I'm sad because I want to go back to school and see my real friends. Yeah, I want to go play with my friends in real life.
I understand.
But this corona, naughty corona. Naughty.
I know, Mariam. I know, Gaia. Don't worry. We will work through it. We will change this for ourselves. Thank you for being so honest. Thank you. Okay. Now, who is I am surprised? I do not have the name now. I'm unmuting you. Hi. How are you feeling? Who is this?
Isabel.
Isabel, you changed your name.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. How are you feeling, Isabel? Tell me.
Surprised and happy.
Surprised and happy. Okay, wonderful. Okay, Atharv, tell us. Priya, can you give me the rights to mute and unmute, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that Athar?
Yes.
So how are you feeling these days, Athar? Are you not been going to school? I'm sure you've been studying from home. What's going on in your mind? Does it
I'm
make you
feeling
happy,
happy.
sad? You're feeling happy about it? Excellent. Do you miss your friends or school?
Yes.
You do. Okay, Athar. We will go through some wonderful exercises that will help you. Thank you. We have Trisha and Tanvi now.
I feel annoyed.
You feel annoyed, Trisha. I can understand. Yes. Okay, I hope you wrote that down. What about you, Tanvi?
Yes, Parag. I get really annoyed because we can't meet our friends or go to school.
That's true. It is a bit annoying, isn't it? Right. Okay, thank you so much. And now we have Gauri. Gauri, what's going on?
I feel really bored since I can't go outside and play.
Right. So you're waiting to go back to school or meet your friends and things like that, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for sharing. Okay, I think we did Ranveer already. So Rishan.
Feel supremely irritated.
Supremely irritated. I understand that feeling completely.
Because
yes, it can be irritating.
Always
Yeah.
inside.
Yes, I understand. Thank you, Rishan, for your honesty. Okay, so let's hear from Amara. Amara, how are you feeling?
I am feeling good. I am sad that schools are closed. I want to play with my friend in my school.
I can understand. I can understand. Yes, sometimes it makes us a bit sad. Sometimes we're happy, but sometimes it makes us a bit sad. Let's see how we can handle those emotions as we go on. Thank you so much, Amara. And we have Anaya.
I feel unhappy because I don't have anyone to play with at home. And then when I go for walks, I don't meet my friends or anything.
You don't meet your friends or anything. I understand. That can be a bit sad. Correct. Who is 80? I didn't get the name. If you could tell me. Hi. I only see 80. So can you hear me? Okay, maybe we can come back later, not a problem. I think we missed out on Saina. Is that right? Saina, if you can unmute yourself and tell me.
80 is Arya.
80 is Arya. Okay. Hi, Arya. Is that Arya speaking? What did you write, Arya? How are you feeling? Arya, can you hear us? Okay, maybe we will do that later. Okay, let's go to Saina then. Saina, how are you feeling?
I am feeling annoyed because we can't, whenever we have to go downstairs, we have to wear a mask and we can't meet our friends.
That's correct. That's correct. I understand. It can be a bit annoying, isn't it? Okay, so now we all realized one thing, guys, that we do feel happy and we sometimes also have some not so nice thoughts and feelings, right? We can be happy, we can be excited sometimes, but at sometimes, like some people said, they are bored, they feel alone at home. Some people said they are unhappy. Some people said that they are supremely annoyed. So everyone has days and times when we feel good, and there are days and times when we don't feel so good, right? And it's okay to not feel so good because that's the way our mind is, you know. We know that in one day, we have more than 60,000 thoughts. Can you imagine? We have more than 60,000 thoughts in one day, and all those thoughts cannot always be happy thoughts. So we do go through thoughts which can be sad or disturbing or angry or things like that, right? What can we do about it? Let's try to understand these thoughts better. Okay, I want you to just observe these kids over here, and these are some of my clients whose pictures, of course, I have not put, but these are their thoughts about what's going on and what makes them feel in certain ways. One feels, why do I keep getting angry? One feels, why do I feel so alone and lonely? One of them told me, your age only, someone is 8, someone is 10. Why does no one understand me? My mom, dad love me so much. I love them so much, but why does no one understand me? Some say, why do I keep thinking weird thoughts all the time? And that happens too. Some people say, I feel sad, even though I know I shouldn't feel sad, but I still feel sad. So if you are going through any of these thoughts from time to time, it's okay. It happens to everyone. It's not just that maybe you are going through it. It happens to a lot of people. But the thing is, we need to understand it. We need to figure out a way to deal with it, and we can deal with it, because there is nothing that we cannot deal with once we understand what it is. So what I'm going to do is, I asked you guys to get a notebook or a journal, and I want you to just write in it again, I am feeling, and it doesn't have to be today. If there are any kind of recurring thoughts you have which are of being annoyed or angry or unhappy, take any of your not so nice thoughts, okay? Because if we have a happy thought, we don't want to make it go away. We don't want to work with it. It's just fine the way it is. Let's pick up any one of your not so nice thought, angry, irritated, bored, lonely, whatever you feel once in a while, waiting to meet my friends, and just write it on a sheet of paper. And I'll give you a minute or two to do that, okay? And you don't have to write too many things. Just write it, and this is for you. You don't have to share it with anyone. You just write it for yourself on that sheet of paper. Okay, because we're going to do an activity after that, and we will use this. So just take a moment and write one or two thoughts that you have. And even if you cannot write, just think about it. Do I feel sad sometimes because I can't go out? Do I feel angry? Does it bother me? Or doesn't bother me? I'm happy. Whatever it is, if you have a not so nice thought, write it down. Excellent. I can see so many more of you, which is fantastic, because it's much easier to talk to you when I can see your lovely faces.
Ma'am, do we have to write on the paper or on a computer?
No, not on the computer, on your notebook, which I asked to carry in the beginning. Just even a sheet of paper is okay, not on the computer. Thank you for asking. Good question. Whenever you're done, you can just put up your thumbs up so I can see how many people are done. Lovely. Thank you for letting me know, Trisha, Tanvi. Wonderful. That's a lot. Thank you, Ranveer, for letting me know. And also Amara. Great job. We have some more people who are still writing. We'll give it a few minutes, which is great. Thank you, Dora. Okay, just a few more seconds. You can write one more line. That's about it.
Oh, well done. Well done. Well done.
Super. Okay. Thank you so much. That is.
Isabel.
Super thumbs up.
Lovely, excellent. Thank you, Gauri.
Ma'am, do we have to write because why also I am feeling well? That also.
If you can, that would be nice. If you cannot think about it, but just feel your feeling, just writing the feeling is also okay. No pressure on that, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna show you something interesting now, guys. If you haven't written, don't worry, it's your own notebook. You can keep writing on it as you go along as well. So let's see some of the things that what I understand a lot of when we don't feel good, what happens is many of us react in different ways. Some people shut the door, some people cry, some people shout, some people can scream, some people can get angry. And I'm sure all of you would relate to some of the things here, right? We've all had our moments when we just don't know what's happening and we can bang it off. Or we don't know what's happening and we get so impatient that on the spot we're just moving like that, right? Or we just scream sometimes at our sister, brother, parents, auntie, whoever is at home. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes we even say things we don't mean. We can be super rude, right? It happens. It's normal. But what I want you to understand today, guys, is that when you do that, you are doing it not because you want to do it. You are doing it not because that's the right thing to do or it makes you happy. It actually doesn't make you happy when you do that, right? You all would know when you do something like getting super angry or being super mean or stamping or hurting or hitting or whatever you do, it doesn't always make you happy. You may do it in that moment. Have a look at this slide, which we call as the emotions iceberg, okay? So in the emotions iceberg, what we explain is that we do certain things, but sometimes we don't realize what's leading up to those things. So sometimes it could be exactly what you guys mentioned. I miss my friends. I miss my swimming classes. My birthday plans are ruined. My best friend's birthday plans are ruined. But I think that's what happened yesterday. I thought about it, but today, that's not what's bothering me. But in the back of our mind, sometimes all these things still keep playing. We keep thinking about it without realizing. And that's when sometimes we don't understand why we get angry the way we get angry. Feel free to write anything that you want to write. Okay, sometimes just the fact that I'm alone at home, I'm bored at home, I can't play with any other kids. It just keeps going on at the back of our mind without realizing. And then that makes us upset as well. So we do many things that we do without truly knowing why we are doing it. But I want to share with you that you also can know that sometimes when you react in certain way, it's because of these other thoughts that are constantly going on in your mind. Okay? Okay, so let's work with our emotions. Now I want you to pick one of your not so nice feelings, anything that you are feeling about the last couple of weeks and months, this whole circuit breaker, lockdown, can't go out, have to wear a mask, all that's going on in your environment right now. I want you to pick up one not so nice feeling. It could be anything. It could be angry, it could be sadness, loneliness, being scared, being worried, being irritated. Whatever comes to your mind, you go with it. There's no right or wrong feeling. You go with what you want to work with and you want to try to change in your space, okay? Then what we will do is we will try to use a new word to now say the same feeling, okay? So for example, I miss my friends, but if I add for now to it, what happens is it doesn't seem so big. I suddenly realize I miss my friends for now. In some days, I will be able to meet them. I miss my swimming classes. I miss my soccer classes. I miss my whatever, music classes for now. So it takes the enormity of the problem to a more smaller space. And whatever you are personally feeling, guys, whatever you are missing, whatever's hurting you, say that statement in your mind and add a for now. And every time you think about it, try and do that. Try and add the for now to everything that's a pain for you. I miss going to school and playing for now. I miss meeting my friends and family and aunts and uncles and grandparents and whoever for now, because this will change. It's not constant. Things are changing around you. This too shall pass. Okay, so that's one thing. Take that with you. Write the for now in your notebooks, and whenever you're feeling upset, try and insert these two words, for now, and see how you feel. And if you do choose to join our weekly classes, we can discuss how you feel. We'll get into smaller groups going forward for those who plan to continue. Okay, now what we're going to do is something really fun. Okay, it's called tapping on. Everyone's facing some sort of anxiety. Some of you may not know this word, some of you may be aware of this word, but that feeling that we sometimes get, oh my God, I don't like it, or why is this happening, or what can we do about it, I want to change this, all these feelings that we have from time to time, guys, somewhere it creates this thing in us. It makes our body angry, it makes our breath short, it makes us irritable. So a lot of things are happening. So we thought, why not today work on this? So leave your pens, leave your papers, sit comfortably with your back straight, okay? And all those moms and dads who are with the kids, feel free to do the activity as well. It benefits each one of us every time, okay? So is everyone comfortable? You can show me a thumbs up. Those who have the video on, those who don't have the video can put it on the chat if they like. Just let me know if you're ready to go. Wonderful. Thank you, Anaya. Thank you, Dora. Great job, guys. Thank you, Saina. Okay. All right. Lovely. So I have all of you now who are quite ready. Let's start the activity. Now, I want you to see me very carefully. And some of them seem funny, but trust me, go along with me. It's great fun. Okay. There are a few points we have to tap. Now, the first point is this. We call this the karate chop point. Does anybody do karate? They will know this is a very important space in karate, right? So this is the karate chop point. So this, take your 4 fingers and do like this. And those who have the video on can show me how they're doing it. So I know how you're doing it as well. Just tap on your, it doesn't matter whether it's left hand to right hand or right hand to left hand, no problem. Just tap like this. Can we do this? Whoever can see me, can you guys do this with me? Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, now what we'll do is, excellent, I can see some of you doing it. Now what we're going to do is, you will say this out after I say it. So I'm going to say a statement, guys, and you are going to say the statement loudly in your space, but we will keep it on mute so you can hear me clearly. Is that clear? Show me a thumbs up.
Bharti?
Yes?
Trisha and Tanvi now can see you. They have not been able to see you all this while.
Oh, really?
Yes, only now they can see you.
Fantastic.
I still cannot see you.
Who cannot see me?
Gauri. I have been able to see you.
Can you guys check the parents in the grid or the...
Your screen's black.
My screen is black.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just give me a minute. Ranveer, can you see me?
Now your screen's better now.
No, I can't see you. Your screen is black.
I can see yours. I can see yours. I can see yours. Screen share. You have to stop your screen share and turn on your camera.
Okay, 1 minute.
Screen.
Okay, just give us a minute. I will try and change something for you. Yeah, are you there online? Can you see what's the problem? Because I am able to see the screen really clearly here. Give me 1 minute, guys, and let me see what I can do. I would like to see this particular exercise. That's why. So I see no reason. Is this any better? Am I visible to you guys now?
No, we still cannot see.
Okay.
We can
Stop
see your screen. We can screen sharing.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
Right. Very, very smart. Let's do that. Am I better now?
No, I still can't see you.
You're still black.
Okay. Give me 1 minute. I'm changing over to
Too. I can see you.
Subbing nonsense. Who's nonsense? You are very silly.
No? Yeah, you're always.
Okay, I'm gonna start checking on something else. Give me a minute.
Now I can see you. But it's frozen.
Damn
I
it.
can't see.
Yeah.
I can see you, but your screen is frozen.
You're frozen.
No.
Now, is it better?
No.
I
can see you.
Yeah, now I can see you.
Everybody?
Yeah, I can see you.
I can't see you. I can see you.
Very good.
Yeah, it's good now.
It's better?
I
Yes.
still can't see you.
Who is this?
Trisha.
Trisha.
I'm done.
Okay, see, my screen is working fine. And should be okay now. Okay, no, I will keep saying the points as well. And I will put the screen here. Give me a minute so that you will know the points. So you'll not miss out on anything. Okay. Okay. You might be able to see 2 screens now. Is that right?
Yeah. I see 2 screens.
Only one.
Yeah.
Okay, seems that's the problem today. Okay, let's screen share again, guys. You cannot see the presentation?
No, I cannot.
Okay.
I can't.
It's very interesting.
I can't.
I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't see the presentation.
Okay, no worries. Let's do this. Hear me. Even if you cannot see anything, you can still hear me. Okay, and let's do with that. Not a problem. I'm just giving it one last shot. If you guys can manage to see it, that will be really nice. No worries. What I'll do is I will share the slides with your parents. Let's do the activity. Okay? Okay, let's go for it.
You're frozen.
I'm on a different screen. I think you will be able to see me on this. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
We can hear you. We can hear you, but you're frozen.
But your camera, there's some problem, I think.
Okay. Now you can hear me, right? I'm on a different. Just see me on a different screen. Can you see me now? It says Bharti. Just slide and see. Yes? Just see on the grid, guys. I changed the device.
We still can't see you.
Yes. We still can't see you even though we're on Bharti.
We can't see you. Say we
I can. We can see you.
Okay, so some can. Okay, let's move. Some can. Yeah. So some can and some cannot. No problem. Maybe because it's a big group, maybe it's something. No worries. Just hear me, and that will help. Okay. So now we are going to pick up certain points. Now the first point, guys, is your karate chop. What is a karate chop? It is basically your little finger going down. So where the little finger finishes and where your wrist starts, that little part in the center. And those who can see your other friends, a lot of your friends are doing it right. See them if you cannot see me. Okay, so I can see Dora's got it right. I can see Saina's got it right. And so has Anaya. Ranveer, it's between the end of the little finger to the wrist. Yes, that's the point. Super. So everybody see these people. Anaya's got it right. Ranveer. And even Gauri's got it right. I think we've all got it right. It's fantastic. So let's go. If whoever cannot see, just the parents can help. It's where the finger ends and where it starts here, the wrist, right here. Okay, so let's start with that. Now, what we are going to do is, let me put this on.
We can see you.
Excellent. Whoever can see that. You can?
Yeah.
Lovely. Great. So now all we have to do is this very simple, exciting thing. Start with tapping this point that we discussed. Just tap it. Okay. And as you tap it, guys, start talking with me. Even though, you say it in your own self. Even though I am feeling not so nice. Stay muted. About this entire thing. Even though I cannot do the things. Everybody stay muted, please. Pia, can you mute everyone? Even though I cannot do the thing that I like to do, I still choose to be happy and relaxed right now. Keep tapping. Even though I sometimes feel very angry, I still choose to relax and feel better today. Take a deep breath. One more deep breath. Okay, now we're going to touch a different point. So you're going to touch near the eyebrow. Okay, tap it. Even though I'm feeling upset, next to your eyes, sometimes angry. Okay, under your eyes, sometimes not so good. Okay, under your nose, sometimes it makes me very cranky. Under the chin, I still want to feel here, and your collarbone, guys, feel better right now. Okay, and then give yourself a hug and tap there. Okay, tap, 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 tap. Take a deep breath. Okay, and once again, I want you to start there. I know everything will get better. Okay, let's go again. Even though I'm not feeling so good about not meeting my friends, about not going for my games, about missing my classes, under the nose, about being stuck at home. Sometimes I feel sad under the chin, on the collarbone. This is not good. Okay, hug yourself. Point, point, point there. I know this is just for now. It will change. Take a deep breath. Excellent. Now just close your eyes and repeat a few affirmations I will say. Okay, say I am safe. I am understood. I am happy. I am calm. I am creative. I imagine good things will happen. I am protected. I believe in myself. I choose to be positive. Take a deep breath and just let it go. Okay, so now, whenever you feel not so good, what would be a good idea is for you to just work with your emotions. Okay, so if you're not feeling good, use these points and we will, I can email these points because the connection was not so nice. So ask your parents to just email if they would like, and we will share more with you. So the idea is that going forward, we will be sending you a lot of different exercises and doing some breath work, doing some meditation, doing a whole lot of things like this. So if you would like to join together, we'll be in smaller groups and we will just check what's we'll do that. Okay, so give me a second now. Okay, because here I can see all of you, which I cannot over there. Okay, guys, so the last thing I wanted you to do was today, because this is just a trial class, is that you go ahead and in your notebook, write down your not so good feelings, add a for now, and whatever makes you upset, you basically work with these tapping points. Okay, so there are how many points? We have the karate chop 1, then we have next to the eyebrow 2, then we have side of the eyebrow 3, then we have under the eye 4, then we have under the nose 5, chin is 6, and the hugging under the arm 7. You work with these and you see how it goes for you. Okay, and if your parents would like to talk, because we overshot the time for this class, I would just request them to stay on, and those who need to leave right now can leave the meeting so that we can be on time. And we can share the details of this class on email, because we are planning to run it through June once a week. Okay, so I hope that helps you, and it was lovely having you all here, and I hope to see you again. Anyone has to say anything?
Can we visit here tomorrow again?
No, not tomorrow. We have one more trial class which is next week, but that would be primarily if you haven't attended today, or if it was unclear for you, we can have you join in next week.
Okay, next
we'll do the same thing. Yeah. we can probably work on something the same thing. Okay? So I hope you guys like that. Work on yourself. And I look forward to seeing you. And any of the parents who want to talk can feel free to stay online and we can just chat. And then I can share the details on email with all of you. And those who already are aware can leave.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Atal.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. So we leave the meeting? No, not now, when everyone else leaves. So we can have dance party. No. It's the end of the session. The end of the